So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ideas how you can make money online from home to create a bit of extra money, and not only just a bit of extra money, but probably a full-time income. Take a look at this video. Hi home bosses. I'm Nuria Corby from thehomeboss.com. Welcome to this channel, which is all about helping you to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more videos like this. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 ideas to make money online from the comfort of your own home. And also, these are not just ideas how to make extra money, but it's actually ideas on how to make a full-time income. So you can take this as far as you want to go. You can treat this as a side hustle, or you can treat this as a full-time career. So let's go straight into the video and start with the first one. The first idea is filling out surveys. So yes, you heard right. And I know a lot of you have probably tried this, and it's not the easiest way to make money, and it's certainly not an easy way to make a full-time income. A lot of these companies that ask you to fill out surveys, they pay you with vouchers or with points or very little money really to fill out a survey. I found one company that actually pays a good amount of money, and that company is called User Testing. I will leave a link to it below this video. Now, I used User Testing while I was setting up my KDP business, just to keep me afloat while I was waiting to earn a little bit more money. And with User Testing, I found that they can pay up to $10 for about 20 minutes of your time. And that can add up really quickly, as you can see on the screen right now. So you do need a microphone, and you need some screen grabbing software, and you need to download their app so you can do the surveys for them. But it's all very, very easy to set up, and the more you do it, the more practice you will get. And if you do really well, they rate you, and the higher your rating, the more work they put your way. So that's how I earned a decent amount in a relatively short time while I was setting up my other businesses. Number 2 would be to sell either on eBay or Amazon. And this is something I have done myself as well for many, many years. So on eBay and Amazon, you can sell absolutely anything. You can import things like I used to do from China or from Thailand or from any country where your goods are cheaper, and then you can sell them for a profit on eBay and Amazon. So do a little bit of research on the kind of products that are selling well, and you can easily find a niche that is not too saturated where you can still make a good living. eBay and Amazon have got a ready customer base. It's not like having your own website where you have to drive traffic to that website. eBay and Amazon already have a really good amount of traffic so that your items get seen. And that is another way to really create a full-time business. Or if you don't want to do it full-time, it creates an extra income for you. Now, the reason I gave up that business is that you do have to do the packing and sending yourself, and that was interfering with my life because my house was full of items for eBay and Amazon, and it can get a little bit overwhelming, and I was looking for a different way of doing things. But the other thing you can do is you can use fulfillment by Amazon, where you can just ship an amount of items to Amazon, and they will then fulfill your orders and send them to your customers. So that is another way you can use eBay and Amazon, by using fulfillment by Amazon, and that is a great way to keep your house tidy and not have everything look like you're living in a warehouse. So eBay and Amazon is my second choice. And number 3 is blogging. Now, blogging, I know there are a lot of people talking about blogging and how to make money blogging. And some of you might think it's impossible, it takes time. Yes, it does take time, but it can be done, and it can actually create a really good income for people. There are lots and lots of bloggers out there who are making an enormous amount of money, but it does take time and it does take hard work. If you create your own blog and you're driving traffic to your blog, the way to make money with blogging is through affiliate sales, through sponsorships, and what you can also do is you can create content for other bloggers or for magazines. So there are lots of sites where you can advertise your writing skills, for example, like Upwork, or you can advertise on Fiverr, and a lot of people go there when they have niche websites or blogs that they want to fill up quickly and they don't want to do their own writing, so they use sites like Upwork and Fiverr to look for people who can write blog posts for them. So that is another way you can create quite a good income by writing blog posts either for your own blog or for somebody else's blog and for magazines. So that was number 3, which I thoroughly recommend. Having your own blog can really lead to many more things. Number 4 is printables. Now, if you go on Etsy and you type in printables, you can see the amount of things that people are selling that are printables. So printables are basically digital files that people can download and print off themselves. So this can include coloring pages for children. This can include gift tags, gift labels, or greeting cards, or ebooks, or calendars, or planners. The list is endless. There are so many things that you can sell as printables, and the best place to sell printables is Etsy, but you can also sell from your own website or Gumroad. Gumroad is a fantastic place to sell your printables and to sell any digital downloads that you may have. I will leave links to all of these underneath the video so you can look into that. And number 5, my last recommendation and the best way that I have found so far to make a regular income is KDP. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and that is the way to publish your books independently on Amazon. So as you know, my channel talks a lot about KDP, so you can look up my playlist where I show you how to publish your first low content book on Amazon. And low content books are basically books that haven't got any writing in them or have got very little writing in them, such as planners, notebooks, or logbooks, coloring books, that kind of thing. So they're books, but you don't have to write anything to publish them. And I leave a link to that playlist underneath this video, and that is for me by far the best way to create an online income and the quickest way to create an online income. So these are 5 ways that I recommend that you check out if you are thinking of creating extra income or even a full-time income. I have done all of these myself and I can really say that they all work, but I recommend that you do a bit of homework and a bit of research on all of them, because some of it might not suit you. For example, if you're not very interested in writing, then blogging may not be the right kind of work for you, although you can also get other people to write the blog posts for you. So you can have a niche website or a blog without even having to write anything yourself, just by outsourcing that and getting somebody else to write the blog posts for you. But do your research and look into each of these first before you decide on one of them. So I hope this has helped you, and I will be making more videos going into more details about each of these ways of making extra money. And there are also other ways to make money which I will also make videos about. So please subscribe to this channel so you can get notifications about all these videos, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.